everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. I am back after a very long time with a makeup tutorial and the first impression of some of the Swiss Beauty products that I've got, and I'll be sharing my first thought about those products and doing my makeup as well. And all of the products that I've used will be in the description box. If you are interested, you can go and check them out, and the link will be there, so go and check them out. And yeah, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Supra Color Concealer in the shade FS27, and I'm going to lightly apply it all over my dark spots and under my eyes. So I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer on my finger, and I'm going to dab it on my under eyes and wherever I have spots. And I'm taking a sponge and blending it all together. Next, I will be taking this Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter in the shade 01, and I will be taking this lighter shade from this cake, and I will be applying it lightly on my eyelid. I don't want a lot of color on my eyes, just a flush of color, so I'm applying that only, just a little bit on my eyelid, just to give my eyes a little bit of definition. That's it. So this blusher is really very pigmented. I will show you the pigmentation of this blusher. Can you see? Can you see the pigmentation? And it's really pigmented. See. Yeah. So I have applied this light shade on my lids. Now I'm going to be moving on to my highlighter, and I'll be using this as my blusher and highlighter both. So I'll be swirling the brush on the cake, and I am going to be applying it on my cheeks. That's it. I don't want a lot of drama on my face, so I'm just keeping it very, very simple, just a tad bit. There you go. A little bit on my brow bone as well, on my nose. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow in the shade Royal Blue, and I will be taking it on an angular brush like so. By the way, this eyeshadow is really creamy and buttery. Let me show you. It's really very pigmented and it's very buttery. So I didn't want a flush of this color on my lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this on an angular brush like so, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lid. I'm just placing this shade on my lower lid, just like this. And next, I have the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Hot Red. I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner. This lip liner again is very creamy and pigmented. See, the pigment is really very opaque and it's very creamy, so you won't find it difficult to apply on your lips. Next, I have the star of the show, the lipstick by Swiss Beauty. It's their Silk Matte collection, and first of all, look at the packaging. It's in a rose gold bullet. It looks very classy and very chic, and it's in the shade Russian red, and you can see how red this is. And the packaging is really very user friendly. It has a magnetic closure. 10 marks for packaging. So I'm going to apply it and see how it lies on my lips. Wow, lovely. The shade itself is really pretty. So there you have it. Without doing so many things and without using so much product, you can achieve this simple yet glamorous look. And of all these Swiss Beauty products that I have used here, my personal favorites are this lipstick in the shade Russian red, and this concealer. The star of the show are these two products. This lipstick glides on very smoothly and is so opaque that it just gives you the color payoff in one swipe, and it glides on smoothly on your lips, doesn't make your lips go dry at all. And this concealer, it covers all the blemishes very easily. It is quite opaque and it is very smooth on the skin. You can apply it and spread it like a dream. It's very smooth and does not look patchy at all on your skin. I have used this concealer only. I have not used any foundation on my face, and already my face is looking quite flawless. Of course, if you apply a foundation, the skin looks a lot better, but this concealer for everyday use is a must for me, because I don't like to apply foundation at all, and these days I am really not into makeup and foundation and everything. So I'll just stick to it for a while now. Because sometimes I need to look on my best, and still I don't want to use makeup, so I'll be using this instead. So I think that's it about the Swiss Beauty review slash the makeup tutorial video. All of the products that I have used in this video, I haven't used them before. All of the products are really good in quality. My first impression is thumbs up for all the products, and Swiss Beauty, I think, has really upgraded themselves. They are coming up with really great products now. This concealer is an example, because this is the exact shade of mine. Previously I have bought a foundation from Swiss Beauty, but it did not match me at all. So this concealer is a very great, like, it's a complete match for my skin tone. And this lipstick again is very nice. I really love the lipstick. So I hope you like this video, and do let me know what you think about this video and this makeup look. So I'll take your leave now, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.